The second you came in the room, you took my breath away. Your eyes shone like the skies, just if it was yesterday. Now it's been a long while since I last saw your face. We were once as close as one, but in so many different ways. Where have you been all this time, when I was looking out for you? 'Cause now I've realized that my love for you was true. Is there a space and time for this lonely heart of mine? Is there a space and time for this silent heart of mine? Was I too blind to see that there was more to you and me? Now pray the Lord from above to lead me back to love. Is there a space and time? Is there a space and time?